If f of x equals x plus 5 over x minus 1, find all a for which f of a equals 10. Now f of a would be replacing x with a. So that would give us a plus 5 over a minus 1. And we want to find out where this equals 10. So we'll be solving for a. To solve this, we clear fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation by a minus 1. That's a minus 1 times a plus 5 over a minus 1 equals a minus 1 times 10. A minus 1 over a minus 1 is 1. So that gives us a plus 5. And a minus 1 times 10 gives us 10a minus 10. Subtracting 10a from both sides, we have negative 9a plus 5 equals negative 10. Subtracting 5 from both sides, we have negative 9a equals negative 15. And dividing both sides by negative 9, we have a equals 15/9 or 5/3. So all a for which f of a equals 10 would be 5/3. We could write that as f of 5/3 equals 10.